Let's go. Last map, guys. This is a tiebreaker right here. Oh, you need help? Okay. Get down, champ. Get. Alright, get down. Oh shit, I got a claymore. What the hell? Hold up, I got a nade over there. You better not, they fucking have claymores. Ooh! Sorry, bitch, trying to fucking kill me with your claymores? Fuck you. If you lose, you suck, just letting you know. Guys, my fucking headset died. I gotta change the batteries. Hold on. Changing the batteries, hold on. Changing them. Alright, hold on. Okay, guys, my headset is back on and it's working. Yeah, you better get a pussy. Why don't you just call it connector and save us all the fucking agony? Too bad it's not. Thanks for that early call out, bro. I'm watching Villa. Woo! Because I'm the best. Thanks! You sniped, you're off the team. Oh, really? Alright, man. Go for it. Because... Too bad I'm not white. Running with my claymore in my hand. Oh, goddamn. Damn, thanks, fucking big hoss. What the fuck? Look at this. No, look at this fucking G.I. Joe over here. Watch this. Look at him. He just fucking eats them. Yeah. Why you gotta be such a... Why are you such a fruitcake? Pussy. Connector. Oh, wow, it came behind me. That's sick. He has Harden on. No, you have to dive in, you fucking idiot. No, take out your Kimbals and YY so you look like a dolphin. Fire. Dolphin dive out. Dolphin dive out if you're known. Dolphin dive out. Nope, you're not known. That is speed reload. And speed, if you don't have speed reloader, it puts one bullet at a time inside, dumbass. He has it on! He does, look, that's speed reloader. Oh my. He has steady aim, you fucking idiot. Damn, why did just fucking waste 3 minutes of our life? Wow, the other kid was right behind you. Yes, he fucking does. Shut up. If your character on Call of Duty isn't tired, you're not tired. That's how I see it. Liar. Good kill, man. You killed the crack fox. Woo! I just had a fucking claymore. Oh, and 5. That's what I like to see. Connection interrupted. No. Dennis, did you have a dose for him to